Morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you today? I want to introduce myself. My name is Evi Andriani. I am 23 years old. I was born in Banjarnegara, 25 May 1992. I came from Central West Java, Indonesia. My last education is junior high school. My weight is 64 kg. My height is 150 cm. I'm Muslim, I'm married, I have two children. I have experienced work before in Jakarta 2 years from 2023 until 2025. My job is take care children for 2 year old, housekeeping, cooking, and marketing. I can cook simple Indonesian food like chicken soup, fried rice, and omelette. I'm not eat pork because I'm Muslim, but I can cook and handle pork. I'm not afraid of dog. I want to go to Singapore because I need more money for my family and my best future. I promise I will hard work, obedient, honest, and finish contract for 2 years or more. I hope ma'am answer. Choose me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye bye.